daughter made these, and it says America the Beautiful. Just wanted you to see it. And looks like a little ice cream sundae that she made, and she made a pair of them, and she Mod Podged these plates also. I'm still trying to talk her into showing me how she does all this, but hasn't worked so far. But didn't she do a beautiful job Mod Podging these plates? And then making these sundaes were her first attempt, and I don't know where she found America the Beautiful little cups to put them in. And here's the other plate and the other sundae. I thought it looked really cute. What do you think? I thought it looked really nice. This is my 4th of July tablescape. Hope you're going to enjoy seeing what I put together. This is my Mackenzie Childs butterfly and bee that I put in the flower arrangement. I got all these beautiful florals up here from Dollar Tree. These my daughter ordered some time ago, and they've been in a past post. And the Mackenzie Child butterfly and bee has been in a past post too. And of course, the beautiful fireworks. I found those at Michael's a while back, and they've been in a past post. All the little beads, I think they were bought probably a year ago. This one here is new, but it's been in a past post also with the American flag. I thought it looked so beautiful. It just goes perfect with everything. And believe it or not, the red cloth on the table was from Dollar Tree also, and it's been used a lot. I've used it in a lot past posts. The barn I bought at Cracker Barrel about a year or so ago, so it's not new either, and it's been used in a lot of posts. I usually do not leave that outside, even though it has had some posts outside, because it's so beautiful. I don't want it to get wrecked. And I just love the American flag on the front of the barn. That's why I bought it to begin with. It really impressed me what it looked like. And then apples are so American, so that's why the apple tree is right there. Thought it all turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think. And when I saw all these beautiful red and blue and white flowers with the look of the American flag, you know Grandma had to buy them because they were just so beautiful. And these right here were bought at Cracker Barrel also on a big clearance sale, along with the barn. I think I bought it the same day because I loved them and they were on sale. Then I have these inspired Mackenzie Child plates, and then of course the salad plates my daughter made. I think we ended up with a pretty nice little setup. What do you think? Oh, and these are not Mackenzie Childs either, but they look inspired, and I used them in another. Well, they've been used for quite a few posts. But I thought just to break up a little bit of all the red, white, and blue, we put a little black and white in here also. And I think it really did break it up and make the red, white, and blue pop more. The glasses are from Princess House, and I think I've had them about 25 years. So I've had them a long time. And I put a doily under the flowers because I think that screams Americana also. So let me know what you thought about this arrangement I put together. I thought the centerpiece really screamed out America. The backbone of this country are the farms, and everybody eats apples here in this country also. The fireworks are just beautiful.